Hello, dear subscribers, dear friends. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can read smudged text on a screenshot. Write in the comments if you got my way to do the same as I did. If not, write also in the comments. I will try to solve your problem. I will give you a hint. Please subscribe to the channel. Put a like and write comments. Let's get started. As you can see, right now I have this screenshot on my screen, smeared with text, and if we zoom in on it, we can't see anything. No letters, no numbers, no message is visible. In order to see it, we go out. We go to Apple Store or Play Market on iPhone or Android, and we need to download this program called Snapseed. It's absolutely free, and it weighs very little. We download it. Then we go into it. It's a Google app. Click on Add Photo. Open Gallery. Choose a photo with custom text. It's on the screenshot. Then click Tools, choose a tool. And now here we need to add a little brightness, contrast, and reduce the shadows. We do the first setting at plus 100%. Contrast we put minus 100%, and all other settings we do plus 100%. And as you can see, we can already see the smudged text that we have on the screenshot. Look, I do plus 100%. And then I do plus 100. And there you go, hello. How are you, and so on. You can see all the words. I mean, look, it was like this, and now it's like this. I mean, maybe some words will be less visible, because they were blacked out twice. So the ones that have been lightly smudged, you can see them. This is how simple and easy it can be done and seen in the screenshot. Absolutely on any device. As on iOS, as well as on Android. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. If you did not understand something, or even if this video helped you, or write in what you want in color that I will show in the next video. How you can see the smudged text on the screenshot. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.